Let's learn about global fields. All editions of MPulse include 3 global fields: location, system, and department. With the gold and platinum editions, or if you have the lifecycle tracking with cost centers module, you will also get the cost centers field. These are called global fields because they have the same label and list of values throughout the system. Because these global fields are on asset records, when an asset is assigned to a work order, you will automatically be positioned to report on details like number of work orders by location, total cost of maintenance by department, or number of planned versus unplanned work orders by system. When selecting an asset on a maintenance request, you can use the global fields to limit the selection of assets to a specific global field value. If you have selected an asset, the asset's other global fields will also populate. Now that we understand what the global fields are, let's understand what we can use these fields for. MPulse's logic behind the location field is this is a general area. Don't get specific on this area. Keep it at a high level. The system field is where you can connect the process that this asset supports. The department field connects the department the asset supports. And the cost center field connects the budgetary charge areas for this asset. Ultimately, these are your global fields, and with your understanding of how they work, they can be beneficial to your implementation. For questions about this or any other topic, please feel free to email us at support@mpulsesoftware.com, or you can always give us a call at 1-800-944-1796.